Most people don't give a lot of thought to microphones. Those people aren't live streaming. For anyone sharing their actions and reactions live on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, etc., a quality standalone mic is one of the most important pieces of equipment you can buy. Long gone are the days when a generic headset or a computer's tinny built-in mic will do. But not every mic suits every job, and the wrong one in your studio can limit your broadcast options or even silence you completely. With the best mics for streaming, however, it's easy to make your live stream sing, literally, if that's what you like to do on air. Number 1. Blue Yeti. There's a great reason you'll find the Blue Microphones Yeti USB microphone in the studios of many streamers and podcasters. It's simple to use, versatile, delivers great sound, and costs less than even a D-list cover band's touring budget. As one of the best mics for streaming, this mic combines 3 separate condenser capsules and has 4 selectable polar patterns: cardioid, omni, figure 8, and stereo. Its 16-bit/48 kHz analog-to-digital converter captures all the expressiveness of the human voice, and the mic provides zero latency monitoring thanks to an internal headphone amp and output, with its own volume knob. An input gain control keeps louder sound sources under control, and you can use the mute switch whenever discussing something you don't want your listeners to hear, or you just need to sneeze. The Yeti's USB output makes connecting it to a computer simple, and the microphone sits on your desk using its included stand. Number 2. Elgato Wave 3. The Elgato Wave 3 is an innovative streaming and podcast microphone that connects seamlessly to Wavelink, Elgato's digital mixing platform for both Windows and Mac OS. The classy-looking, rectangular mic has 1 condenser capsule and a fixed cardioid polar pattern, but the audio that comes from it is at a high-quality 96 kHz/24-bit resolution. An internal pop filter helps cut down on those plosives, the hard P's and B's that make your audience's speakers shake, while the company's proprietary clip-guard technology allows you to rant and rave as loudly as you'd like without the mic distorting. Those are great features, but what really sells the mic is the included Wavelink software, which allows you to combine audio from 8 sources, like video games, voice chats, music, alerts, samples, or other mics, into a single broadcast. All in all, this is an elegant solution if you're building more complex streams. Number 3. Shure SM7B. Shure has been a leader in professional-grade stage and studio microphones since 1925, and the company's products, like the venerable SM58, have graced the performances of divas, pop stars, and heavy metal gods, recorded instruments on best-selling records, and found a home in broadcast booths worldwide, which is exactly where you'll find the SM7B. Whether you're trying to create the rich, honeyed tones of a public radio host, or you frequently burst out into raucous song during your livestream, the SM7B's dynamic capsule is a recording microphone set to receive the goods. Undoubtedly the best studio microphone of our choices, it handles high volumes across a wide frequency range without distortion, and its cardioid polar pattern keeps your voice front and center in the mix while rejecting surrounding chatter. It's easy to tailor your sound using the SM7B's built-in toggles for bass roll-off and presence. Number 4. Rode PodMic. Sometimes, you have a PC with a purpose, and sometimes you want a jack of all trades. The same can be true of your speakers. Rode has worked hard over the years to establish itself as a purveyor of high-quality, budget-friendly microphones, and today its products are found in professional settings all over the world. So it's not surprising that this dynamic microphone captures the warm sounds of pro broadcasters without emptying your wallet. Its single capsule has a cardioid polar pattern that focuses the listener on your voice while holding ambient noise at bay. Rode describes the PodMic as optimized for use with the company's Rodecaster Pro podcast production studio, an external mixer and recording unit with 4 inputs, but the microphone's professional, balanced XLR output connects to any audio interface for use with a computer. It also can plug directly into field recording units, video cameras, or professional mixers. Number 5. Sennheiser MKE400. Sennheiser makes some of the best microphones in the world, go-to equipment for audio professionals across a wide range of industries. The German company's MKE400 compact shotgun microphone, read our full review here, is small enough to sit comfortably on smartphones, using the included phone mount, or compact cameras using the built-in cold shoe. It features DRRS connectivity, so you can attach it to an iOS or Android device without losing access to your phone, and also comes with a DRS connector for use with cameras, micro mixers with DRS inputs, or full-size mixers and audio interfaces using third-party TRS to 1/4-inch adapters. The MKE400 is known as a shotgun microphone because of its single condenser interface and supercardioid polar pattern that offers extreme rejection of noise from the sides. These types of mics do a great job of keeping the focus on whatever they're pointed at.